Welcome to the Learning Studio. This is your home for exploring the world of education and teaching. In today's lecture, we're diving into something truly fascinating, the history of education. From ancient temples to modern classrooms, education has been shaping humanity for thousands of years. And in this video, we'll trace how learning began, how it evolved, and how it became what it is today. Don't forget, you can watch the full teaching series by clicking the playlist link in the video description below. Ancient civilizations. Let's start way back, over 5,000 years ago. In ancient Egypt, education was for the elite. Boys were taught by scribes to read and write hieroglyphics so they could work in government or temples. Girls mostly learned home-based skills. In ancient India, education happened in gurukuls, small schools where students lived with their teacher, called a guru. The focus was on philosophy, astronomy, and language. In ancient China, the great philosopher Confucius believed education should be for everyone, not just the rich. His teachings helped shape one of the first civil service exams in the world. And in ancient Greece, learning was all about asking questions. Plato started the first real school, the academy, while Aristotle focused on logic, science, and ethics. They believed in educating the whole person, body, mind, and soul. The Middle Ages to the Renaissance. During the Middle Ages, education became closely tied to religion. Monks copied books by hand, and most schools were run by churches. Only a few people could read or write. But things changed with the Renaissance, a time of rebirth and new ideas. People started thinking for themselves again. Books became cheaper after the printing press was invented in the 1400s, and knowledge spread quickly. Industrial age to modern education. In the Industrial Revolution, factories needed skilled workers, so many countries introduced public schooling. Education became more structured: desks, blackboards, grades, and timetables. In the 20th century, American thinker John Dewey said, "Schools shouldn't just prepare students for life, it should be life." He promoted learning by doing, not just memorizing. Today, we have schools for all ages, online learning, and even AI tutors. Education is more inclusive, accessible, and global than ever before. Why this history matters. So why should we care about this history? Because understanding the past helps us build a better future. It shows us how far we've come and what still needs to change. Whether you're in 5th grade or training to be a teacher, knowing the history of education helps you understand why schools are the way they are and how you can make them better. In our next video, we'll dive into one of the most important topics of teaching, sociology of education. Make sure to subscribe, follow the series, and click the playlist link in the description to keep learning with us here at the Learning Studio. See you in the next class.